Today discuss about quadratic expression part 4. Today solve some problems. If alpha comma beta are the roots of equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, then find the value of alpha power 4 beta power 7 plus alpha power 7 beta power 4. Second one, alpha by beta minus beta by alpha whole square. Third one, alpha square plus beta square by alpha power minus 2 plus beta power minus 2. Okay. Solution. If alpha comma beta are the roots of equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay. First find the sum of the roots. Alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a. Product of the roots alpha beta equals to c by a. Okay. Right. First problem. Alpha power 4 beta power 7 plus alpha power 7 beta power 4. Okay, take the common. Alpha power 4. Here beta power 7 beta power 4. Overall common alpha power 4 beta power 4. Take the common. Alpha power 4 get cancelled, beta power 4 means remaining beta cube plus beta power 4 cancel, alpha power 4 remaining alpha cube. Okay, right. A plus b, alpha power 4 beta power 4, alpha beta whole power 4. Here a cube plus b cube, a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b whole cube, a plus b whole cube minus 3ab, 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Okay, since a plus b whole cube equals, a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, right. Substitute the value of alpha plus beta, alpha beta equals to c by a whole power 4 into alpha plus beta minus b by a whole cube minus 3 into alpha beta c by a into alpha plus beta minus b by a. Okay. C power 4 by a power 4 into minus b cube by a cube minus of minus plus 3bc by a into a square. Okay, right. So a c power 4 by a power 4. Okay, common LCM a cube a square, LCM a cube. Okay, a cube minus b cube plus a square means 3abc. Okay, c power 4 into 3abc minus b cube by a power 4 into a cube a power 7. First question answer. Okay, second one. What is the second one? Second one is alpha by beta minus beta by alpha whole square. Okay, so LCM alpha square minus beta square by alpha beta whole square. Okay, right, alpha square minus beta square whole square by alpha beta by alpha beta. A square minus b square, a square minus b square, a square minus b square means a plus b alpha plus beta into alpha minus beta whole square by alpha beta whole square, alpha beta whole square. Okay, so alpha plus beta whole square into alpha minus beta whole square by alpha beta whole square. Substitute the value of alpha plus beta, alpha beta, alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a whole square. Okay, alpha minus beta, alpha minus beta whole square, a minus b whole square equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. A minus b whole square equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab by alpha beta c by a whole square. Okay, right, b square by a square into minus b by a whole square minus 4 into alpha beta c by a by c square by a square. A square, a square get cancel. Okay, right, b square into okay, b square by a square minus 4c by a by c square by c square. Okay, b square by c square into LCM. Okay, LCM a square, b square minus 4ac. Okay, b square into b square minus 4ac by c square into a square. It is answer. Okay, third one alpha square plus beta square by alpha power minus 2 beta power minus 2. Okay, simplify this one. Alpha square plus beta square by alpha power minus 2 beta power minus 2. Okay, alpha square plus beta square by 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. Take the LCM denominator, alpha square plus beta square by beta square plus alpha square by alpha square beta square. Okay, numerator get cancel, reciprocal alpha beta whole square. What is the alpha beta? c by a whole square, that is equals to c square by a square. Problem, find the value of m. Find the value of m for which the following equation have equal roots. Following equation have equal roots. Okay, equal roots. What is the equal roots? Discriminant are equals to 0. Discriminant are equals to 0. Okay, right, here given equation x square minus 15 minus 2mx minus into minus plus 8m equals to 0. Write the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. X square minus 2mx plus 8m minus 15 equals to 0. Okay, So it's a form of ax square bx plus c equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Here a equals to coefficient of x square 1, b coefficient of x equals to minus 2m, c 8m minus 15. Okay, given equation given by roots are equal. Roots are equals means discriminant equals to 0. b square minus 4ac equals to 0. b square minus 4ac equals to 0. What is the b? Minus 2m whole square minus 4. a means 1. c 8m minus 15 equals to 0. Okay, minus 2m whole square 4m square minus 4 into 8m minus 15 equals to 0. Okay, take the common. So 4m square minus 8m minus into minus plus 15 equal to 0. 4 get cancelled. Therefore m square minus 8m plus 15 equals to 0. Take the factors. So 15 ones are 15. 15 means 5 3s are 15. Minus 8 minus 5 minus 3. Okay, factors. So write m square minus 3m minus 5m plus 15 equal to 0. Okay, take the common m minus 3 minus 5 m minus 3 equal to 0. m minus 3 into m minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, m minus 3 equal to 0 or m minus 5 equal to 0. Here m equal to 3 or m equals to 5. Okay, right, thank you. Most important problem. Okay, right.